Once upon a time, in a small village at the edge of a dense forest, lived an honest woodcutter named Raju. Raju was known throughout the village for his integrity and hard work. Every day, he ventured deep into the forest to chop wood, which he sold to earn a modest living for his family. Despite his modest earnings, Raju never complained and was always content with what he had. One sunny morning, as Raju was chopping wood near a sparkling river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. Panic gripped him as he stared into the river, knowing he couldn't afford to buy another axe. Desperate, he sat by the river and pondered his fate. Suddenly, the water began to swirl, and a beautiful fairy emerged, holding a golden axe. "Is this golden axe yours?" the fairy asked. Raju looked at the gleaming axe, tempted by its beauty and value. But he shook his head and replied, "No, that's not mine. My axe was made of simple iron." The fairy smiled and disappeared beneath the water, only to return moments later with a silver axe. "Is this silver axe yours?" she asked. Again, Raju shook his head. "No, that's not mine either. Mine was a plain iron axe." The fairy nodded and vanished once more. This time, she returned with an old, rusty iron axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Raju's face lit up with relief and joy. "Yes, that's my axe," he exclaimed. The fairy was impressed by Raju's honesty. "Because you have shown such integrity, I will give you all 3 axes, the golden, the silver, and your iron axe," she said. Raju was overwhelmed with gratitude and thanked the fairy profusely. With his new wealth, he returned to the village, thinking of how his honesty had been rewarded. However, Raju's newfound fortune did not go unnoticed. A greedy neighbor named Harish heard of Raju's story and decided to try his luck. The next day, Harish deliberately threw his axe into the river and waited. Sure enough, the fairy appeared, holding a golden axe. "Is this golden axe yours?" she asked. Harish, unlike Raju, lied eagerly, "Yes, that's mine." The fairy's eyes narrowed. She saw through Harish's deceit and, with a wave of her hand, she vanished, taking the golden axe with her. Harish was left by the river, his own axe lost forever, a victim of his own greed and dishonesty. He returned to the village empty-handed and ashamed. Raju, on the other hand, continued to live modestly, using his wealth to help those in need and never letting it change his kind and honest nature. His actions taught the villagers valuable lessons about integrity and generosity. The children of the village grew up hearing Raju's story, learning that honesty is always rewarded in unexpected ways and that greed can lead to one's downfall. In time, Raju became not just a hero, but a symbol of the values that held the village together: honesty, hard work, and kindness. The fairy's visit remained a magical memory, a reminder that character and virtue are treasures more precious than gold or silver. Reply forward. Add reaction.